everyone, Outplay here. Today we are teaching you part 5 of tutorial. So we're gonna teach you something a little bit more intermediate. So we're gonna teach you how to make jump scares. So we're just gonna make a rig first, the monster for it. Yeah, he's the rig. So we made a rig, right? Let's just select the children by doing this, and then select the humanoid, and then just make it black. And then you know what? Let's just make its display name the what should we call it? Yeah, we should call it monster, because we're obviously making a jump scare, so jump scares are from monsters. So we called it that. And then, yeah, its primary part is humanoid root part. So, doing this, we're going to need a decal. We're just gonna go to the Tooblox. You can actually make your own decal by pressing create, but you're just gonna need to search up on images. So, we're gonna make jump scare. Yeah, you know what, let's just do a 90 jump scare. Yeah, those jump scares are being really like overused. Yeah, dude, I'll just take it. I'll just put it into the GUI. First of all, I'm just gonna make a screen GUI. Then make a image label, and then after you make the image label, copy this thing's URL, then go to the image label, go to image, copy it, that'll become this. Then you're gonna need to change the background the black or like red. You can change it to anything you want, but for now I'll just make it red. Okay, so after we've done that, we're gonna need to make it gigantic. Make sure the ignore GUI line set is set to true, so that it will appear in the whole screen. Okay. You know what? You can even like make it so it's 1, 0, 1, 0. So it'll cover the entire screen. After that, after you've done that, destroy this A90 jump scare thingy. But you're gonna need to make the image label invisible. Yeah, you gotta do that. And then insert a script inside of it. Wait, how do I? Okay, I'll just do this. Okay. Script, and then you're gonna need to follow my steps. I'm just making comment and making it. I was just making comment and naming it variables because it actually makes the script look good, like I said in the last episode. Tutorial. So local monster equals game.workspace the dummy that's humanoid root parts. So after that, we're gonna need to make functions. After we're gonna need to do this. Monster dot touched equals connect function hit. So after we've done that, we're gonna need to do this. If hit dot parent equals find first. No, not this. Find first child, humanoid, then. So after that, we're just gonna say this. Hit dot parent equals find first child. Okay, dude. Find first. No, not position. Hit dot parent equals find first child, humanoid. That health equals 0, and in the variables we're gonna say local label equals script dot parent, and then I'm gonna make it label dot visible equals true, and then we're gonna wait. Wait, no, not this. Wait 2. You wanna just extend a little bit. 4. Label dot visible equals false. So I think we made the jump scare. Let's just test it out. Okay, so the tutorial loaded up, and then let's just test the monster, and then see what the face will show up. Yeah, it worked. The A90 face showed up. So we also gonna need to make a sound for it. I mean, we're gonna need a sound for a jump scare, right? Most jump scares require sounds. A jump scare without a sound will literally make it lame. So we're gonna go to the toolbox and then search for audio. I'm gonna search for scream first, and then we're gonna do something really crazy. So demon scream. What is this? These are. All these things in the toolbox. That will be a good one. So is it here now? Yeah, the rake. I'm gonna make it here. I'm gonna do something way crazier, dude. Distortion sound effect. Oh my god, dude. Distortion sound effect. And then level the magnitude, the priority to 1000. Let's see how it is. That's a good sound for a jump scare. You know what? Local sound equals script equals find first child, the rake scream. Sound equals play, dude. This will be a good jump scare. This is actually a really short tutorial for a jump scare. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so I spawned in, and let's go to a monster. Keep our volume low. Well, why didn't it make any sound? What? Didn't make any sound? What in the universe? Plus, there's no error. What? It didn't make a sound. What? So I think we're gonna need to check some. We're gonna need to check an error. So sound equals play. It's supposed to play like that. Why didn't it play? Label.visible equals true. So when it becomes true, if it touches it, if it touches it. Oh, okay. Supposed to control X. Then press control X. Outside this end, we're gonna control V. So now I'm pretty sure it will work. Okay, so the tutorial loaded up. Okay, wait, no, it's okay. Now it's loaded up. So it's gonna be loud. So keep your What in the universe? Plus, there's no errors. Any errors? No errors. Nothing. Just the recovery file was created. This always happens. what? Okay, so I changed the position of the sound equals play to the upper side. So I don't know if it'll even work or not. Okay, so I load it in, and this might be loud again. So please kind of like close your ears. No, literally, dude. So yeah. I told you the sound not playing equals true. I hope that works. So just press play. Okay, so the game loaded in, and okay, let's just lower volume. Hope it works. The game. Okay, it was just lagging a bit. Okay, so I don't think I can make it happen. So that's it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. See ya.